Hello, and welcome to the quick and easy tutorial on how to use Ancient History Encyclopedia's media library. From the main page, hover your cursor over the Education drop-down menu and select the fourth link, Media Library. The Media Library has the latest images, videos, 3D images, and audio selections of a growing number of Ancient History Encyclopedia definitions and articles. Returning to the top of the page, the search bar allows you to enter keywords for your preferred subject and can be filtered to show individual or a combination of images, videos, or 3D images. When you are ready for your results, press Enter. On the results page, you can use the media filter to further define your search, including choosing Maps Only, then clicking on the Search button. More specific filters, including related subjects and how many materials are currently available, can be found on the left side of the page. Ancient History Encyclopedia is a nonprofit organization that relies on the support of history lovers like you. Individual memberships and institutional plans are available through our website. All donations to help us in our mission are sincerely appreciated. Thank you very much for using Ancient History Encyclopedia, and happy learning!